everyone, welcome back to Auto Express Review, where innovation meets excitement. Today we have something truly groundbreaking to talk about. A legendary name from the past, reborn for the future. More than 100 years ago, the Ford Model T revolutionized the automotive world. It wasn't just a car, it was a movement, a symbol of progress, freedom, and innovation. Fast forward to 2025, and Ford has dared to do something few manufacturers would ever attempt: bring the Model T back. But this isn't just a retro car with a modern engine. The 2025 Ford Model T is a reimagination of the future, using the spirit of the past. Ford has blended cutting-edge EV technology with the soul of the original. The result? A stunning fusion of nostalgia and next-gen brilliance. Let's talk about the design. From a distance, you'll recognize that upright stance, that boxy frame. There's no denying the heritage. But come closer and the futuristic details jump out. LED headlamps integrated into classic circular housings. A grille that pays homage to the original but hides advanced sensors and cameras. And sleek alloy wheels that mimic wooden spokes of the past. Inside, it's a different world. A panoramic touchscreen dashboard, voice-activated controls, and even an AI co-pilot named Tinny, yes, like Tin Lizzie, make the cabin feel like a science fiction movie set. But they've still kept some brass detailing and a unique analog speedometer that nods to 1908. Here's where it gets seriously exciting. The 2025 Model T is fully electric. No gasoline, no fumes. Just clean, quiet, instant torque. The single motor setup pushes out 220 horsepower, more than 10 times what the original Model T had. It offers a range of 400 kilometers on a single charge, supports ultra-fast charging, and even has solar-assisted roof panels that add a few extra kilometers per day. For city driving or weekend cruising, it's an absolute game changer. And yes, it has only 2 pedals. No need to learn those complicated old-timey driving tricks. This car is smarter than your average sedan. With Ford's latest sync system, the Model T comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, over-the-air updates, and even a retro driving mode, which dims the screens and activates a special sound system that plays old jazz, crackling radio stations, and even Henry Ford's speeches. Safety, top-notch. The Model T has received a 5-star safety rating, comes with 8 airbags, a 360-degree camera system, and self-parking features. Here's the real shocker. Would you drive one? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, Auto Express Review. See you in the next video.